In this video, we are going to talk about the top 10 financial goals to achieve before turning 30s. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Young adults frequently strive to complete their education, find employment, and travel to new locations. But it's simple to become distracted by the excitement of it all and overlook one crucial aspect: maintaining a successful financial situation. After all, now is the ideal time to build a solid foundation for a successful future. Number 10. Prioritize self-care. Self-care is a financial priority that must be prioritized before turning 30. Your general well-being and financial performance can be significantly impacted by taking good care of your physical and mental health. When you give self-care a high priority, you're more likely to feel inspired and energized, which might make it easier for you to be more productive and laser-focused on your objectives. Self-care can be prioritized in a number of ways, including through regular exercise, enough sleep, mindfulness exercises, and enjoyment-inducing pursuits. Taking regular pauses during the day, getting therapy or counseling if necessary, and establishing appropriate boundaries in your personal and professional life are all examples of further self-care techniques. Number 9. Build a network. Another significant financial objective to accomplish before reaching 30 is network building. A robust network of contacts, mentors, and advisors can lead to commercial collaborations, financial support, and chances for career advancement. Start by going to industry events, joining groups for professionals, and making online connections with people who share your interests. Seek out opportunities to work together, to impart your knowledge and expertise, and to absorb what others in your industry have to say. Developing relationships with mentors and advisors who can provide direction and support while you pursue your career and financial goals is also crucial. Look for people who have succeeded in your area or have knowledge of the financial difficulties you are experiencing. You can access helpful tools, information, and support by creating a network, which will enable you to further your professional aspirations and reach your financial objectives. Number 8. Learn to negotiate. Another significant financial aim to accomplish by the age of 30 is learning how to negotiate. Your life will benefit from having good negotiating abilities in many areas, from getting a better job offer or benefits package to getting a better price on a large purchase. Start by researching the subject you're bargaining, such as the salary ranges for positions similar to yours or the fair market value of a car you want to purchase, to hone your negotiating abilities. Be open to compromise and come up with original solutions that work for all parties. Actively listen and empathize with others. Also, it's critical to approach negotiations with assurance and assertiveness while retaining a professional tone and steering clear of confrontational or aggressive techniques. To develop your confidence and sharpen your skills, practice negotiating in low-risk scenarios like at a garage sale or with a buddy. Number 7. Start a side hustle. Another significant financial aim to accomplish before turning 30 is to launch a side business. A side business can boost your income, provide you the opportunity to learn new skills and get new experiences, and increase your freedom and financial stability. Consider your skills and hobbies and explore for chances to monetize them before beginning a side business. You may launch a freelance writing or graphic design business, an online store selling goods, a business providing pet sitting or house cleaning services, or a teaching or coaching practice. Have realistic expectations for your side business, including how much time and effort you're willing to put in and the amount of money you'd like to make. Be open to trying new things and experimenting, and be ready to change your strategy as you advance Indiana knowledge and experience. Number 6. Build a credit score. Before being 30 years old, it's crucial to get a decent credit score. You may be eligible for loans and credit cards with cheaper interest rates if you have strong credit, which might ultimately save you money. Also, it may make it simpler to find employment, rent an apartment, or even be approved for a cell phone plan. Getting a credit card and utilizing it sensibly is the first step to increasing your credit score. This entails paying your bills promptly and in full each month and ensuring that your credit utilization ratio, the proportion of your available credit that you actually use, remains below 30%. Making timely payments on other forms of credit, such as a vehicle loan or student loan, will also help you establish credit. Regularly check your credit report to ensure it's accurate and current, and be sure to challenge any errors you notice. Number 5. Put money toward a down payment. Before turning 30, you should focus on saving for a down payment, especially if you intend to purchase a home in the future. You might be able to get a better mortgage interest rate and lower monthly payments by saving for a down payment. Setting a target for how much you want to save and making a budget to keep track of your expenditures will help you start saving for a down payment. To automate your savings, set up automatic transfers from your checking account and think about opening a separate savings account just for your down payment money. Find ways to make more money, such starting a side business or asking for a pay raise at work, and think about putting any windfalls, like tax returns or bonuses, towards your down payment fund. Number 4. Start investing. Starting an investment portfolio is a crucial financial aim to accomplish before turning 30. You can reach long-term financial objectives, such as retirement or property ownership, by investing your money. Considerable variety exists among the investing options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. It's crucial to conduct research and comprehend the dangers involved before making an investment. Think about employing a robo-advisor or consulting a financial professional to assist with making investing selections. Consider opening a retirement account through your workplace or on your own, such as a 401k or IRA, to begin investing. Number 3. Pay off debt. Paying off any high-interest debt you may have accumulated, such as credit card debt, personal loans, or student loans, is another crucial financial goal to accomplish before turning 30. You can reduce your interest costs and free up cash flow for other financial objectives, such as investing or saving for a down payment on a home, by paying off your debt. Consider adopting the debt avalanche or debt snowball approach to pay off debt. The debt snowball technique prioritizes the smallest obligations and pays them off first, whereas the debt avalanche method focuses on the debts with the highest interest rates and pays those off first. Moreover, think about combining your debt into a single loan with a cheaper interest rate, such as a personal loan or a credit card with a balance transfer. Number 2. Build an emergency fund. Another significant financial objective to accomplish before turning 30 is to start saving for emergencies. A savings account designated expressly for unforeseen costs, such as auto repairs, medical expenses, or job loss, is known as an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund can provide you peace of mind through trying times and prevent you from incurring high-interest debt to pay for these expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in order to create an emergency fund. To find out how much money you can realistically set aside each month, start by selecting a savings goal and making a budget. Set up a direct deposit or automatic transfer from your checking account to your emergency fund savings account to consider automating your savings. Number 1. Create a budget. Another crucial financial objective to accomplish before turning 30 is setting and adhering to a budget. With the aid of a budget, you can keep track of your spending and make wise financial decisions. A budget is a plan for your income and expenses. To start making a budget, make a list of all of your sources of money, including your salary, any side income you may have, and any additional sources. First, make a list of every expense you have, including variable costs like groceries, entertainment, and travel, as well as fixed costs like rent, utilities, and auto payments. Establish financial goals that are consistent with your values and priorities once you have a good understanding of your income and expenses. Set your priorities correctly and seek for places where you may reduce your spending. Use spreadsheets or budgeting applications to keep track of your accomplishments and maintain motivation. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.